Hi, if you are looking forward to building a widely successful career online and digital marketing is one area that you are actively considering, but you are currently not sure if it is going to be worth it at the end of the day, or maybe you even own a business and you have lost faith in the ability of digital marketing to help you gain visibility, become relevant, and to make money as well. Over here, I make videos that help demystify digital marketing, breaking down the complexities of digital marketing, just so that it becomes easier for you to make up your mind as an individual looking forward to pursue a widely successful career in digital marketing, right? Or as a business looking forward to employing the assistance of digital marketing to gain online visibility, business relevance, and of course profitability for your business as well. So my name is Patrick Ezeji, and I pride on over a decade of experience in digital marketing. I mean, I spent over 10 years of my life growing and perfecting my digital marketing skills. I've literally lost count of the number of freelance gigs I've picked up in 10 years. I've also lost count of the number of volunteer jobs or gigs I've done in 10 years. And very importantly also, I've lost count of how much I've made in digital marketing, right? And very, very importantly also, I've trained over 6,000 individuals in different areas of digital marketing, helping them to get freelance gigs and of course starting widely successful careers in digital marketing. How do I plan on delivering content that eventually gives value to you? I make free digital marketing courses on this channel, and you can check out some of my playlists already. I've got completely free digital marketing courses, including certifications, free certifications for you. Once in a while, I invite experts to my podcast session where we discuss several areas of online marketing that becomes beneficial to individuals and of course also to business owners alike. I also do live sessions where I invite guests as well, where I invite digital marketing experts to have interactions regarding interview difficulties for digital marketers. So if you're looking forward to honoring a digital marketing interview in the future, these live sessions will be very beneficial to you because we discuss very important questions, very important interview questions around digital marketing. So once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are simply going to be learning from my wealth of experience, over a decade of experience, and I'm so proud that I've spent 10 years in digital marketing, very lucrative 10 years in digital marketing, right? So thank you so much once again, guys. If you think this speaks to you, then let's connect by simply tapping on that subscription button below and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I make video content, those useful pieces of video content that I've talked about already, you will not miss out on them, right? Thank you so much once again, guys. I hope to see you in some of my sessions, and I hope to entertain questions from you as well. So if you have any burning question around digital marketing, if you have any burning question, either theoretical questions or practical questions that you need an expert opinion or expert answer to, I'm your guy, right? 10 years isn't a joke, guys. So drop them in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to each and every one of them because I want to build a close relationship and friendship with you. So I'll be seeing you in my sessions. Bye for now.